What's going on, people? We're back here at 1110s, and today is break day. Break day. We got some regular goodies for the back and some heavy ass rotors for the front here, with some M3 calipers. What are these, CSL or something like that? They're CSL rotors, Ted? Yeah, CSL. We got the upgraded M3 calipers, front and backs all on right now with that gold flake. You probably can't see it right now, but it's super pretty. Powder coated red by Midwest Calipers. You know, we got them hanging. So Ted's gonna get to ripping right now. I got some work to do. So we're gonna put this up somewhere and get you guys a time lapse probably.